How to fix Windows 10 search bar not working. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. If your Windows search bar is not working, not typing, not opening, or not showing results, you can try out these fixes in order. So we can just go over and restart our Windows Explorer. We can press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open up a task manager and find Windows Explorer here. Right click on it, select the option for end task and restart the file. And you can just go over and do so. Or we can just go over and press Windows+R and then type in services.msc, hit enter and find Windows Search there. Look out for W section, find Windows Search. And once we find it out, we can right click on it, select the option for restart for that, and also right click on it, select the option for properties, and ensure that the startup type is automatic, and you can apply it up. Apart from that, you can run Search Troubleshooter. You can press Windows+I for that. Go to Privacy and Security or Update and Security and look out for the option for Troubleshoot here. Go ahead and find Troubleshoot or go to System and look out for the option called Troubleshoot here. Open it up, go to Other Troubleshooters and select Search and Indexing here. Once you find it out, we can run the troubleshooter for that and follow the instructions. Also, you can restart your search process. So open up Task Manager, and once you open up your Task Manager, you can look out for search app.exe, etc. and go ahead and find it up, this one right here. Right click on it, select the option for End Task, and it will automatically restart and do so. You can also run System File Check. You can open up Command Prompt as an administrator. After that, just go over and type in sfc/scan now and hit enter and wait until 100% complete. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow for now in order to do so. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.